If you've ever felt stuck when your car breaks down or just want to learn how to fix common car problems yourself, you're in the right place. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to fix any car, yes, any car, with easy steps anyone can follow. No fancy tools or expensive mechanic trips needed. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident tackling those annoying car issues and saving money along the way. So let's jump right in. The first step in fixing any car is knowing exactly what's wrong. Step 1, listen and observe. Is the engine making a strange noise? Does the car fail to start? Is there a warning light on the dashboard? These clues are your first hints. Step 2, use an OBD2 scanner. If your car has a check engine light, plug in an OBD2 scanner. These tools read the car's computer codes and tell you what part might be acting up. I always recommend keeping a basic scanner handy, it's a game changer. Step 3, check simple things first. Sometimes, the problem is super simple. Low oil, flat battery, loose wires, or low coolant. Always start with the basics before diving deeper. Before you get your hands dirty, make sure you have some essential tools. Socket set and wrenches, screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, pliers, jack and jack stands, OBD2 scanner, flashlight, gloves and safety glasses. Having the right tools makes fixing your car much easier and safer. Let's cover a few of the most common car problems and how you can fix them yourself. Changing a flat tire. Loosen lug nuts. Use jack to lift the car. Remove flat tire and put on spare. Tighten lug nut securely. Lower car safely. Replacing a dead battery. Open hood, disconnect negative then positive terminal. Remove old battery. Install new battery and connect positive then negative terminal. Make sure terminals are tight. Changing engine oil. Warm up engine slightly. Drain old oil by removing drain plug. Replace oil filter. Add new oil through the oil cap. Check oil level with dipstick. Replacing air filter. Open air filter box. Remove old filter. Insert new filter. Close the box. Fixing overheating issues. Check coolant level. Look for leaks or damaged hoses. Replace faulty thermostat or radiator cap if needed. Now, while many fixes you can handle yourself, some issues need a pro if you're dealing with major engine problems, transmission failures, complex electrical issues, airbag or brake system repairs. Don't hesitate to visit a trusted mechanic. Your safety is the priority. Prevention is always better than fixing. Follow your car's maintenance schedule. Check fluids regularly. Keep tires properly inflated. Listen for unusual sounds early. Keep your battery terminals clean. These small habits can save you big headaches down the road. Remember, fixing your car yourself isn't just about saving money. It's about gaining confidence and understanding your vehicle better. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.